Hi, I'm Dr. Wajma Aslami. I'm a cardiologist here on Maui. Cardiologist is someone who takes care of the human heart. And the heart is very important in the body. What it does is it pumps blood, which carries oxygen to your entire body from your head down to your toes, feeding every organ with the energy that it needs. And that's why we need to take care of our hearts since the day we're born till the very end of our lives. And cardiologists help you with making the right decisions along the way. There are so many ways for you to take care of your hearts. One is to exercise and stay healthy. Keep your heart beating hard and beating strong. Other things are to get enough rest, sleep well through the night, avoid stress, which is very important for you to be happy. Reducing your screen time is another important thing because that takes you away from being indoors and able to spend more time outside, playing, running, exercising, building up all the muscles in your body, including your heart muscle. The other is to eat healthy and eat all the right foods. Today I'm going to share a little bit about eating a heart-healthy diet with you. That does not mean that you have to have a salad for every meal, but we'll go over some of the healthier foods that are easy for you to have access to and to include in your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and your snacks. And generally we like to encourage you to eat more fruits, more vegetables. In addition to these foods being healthy for your heart, they also do not contain any fat. And fat is very bad for the heart and all your arteries because fat can stick to the inside of your arteries. And then over time, what that fat does is create blockages in the arteries, which then blocks oxygen from getting to your brain and your lungs and your muscles and your kidneys. Think about having a bright, colorful plate with every meal, and you can add fruit and vegetables, even if they're frozen or in a can, that still counts and it's still healthy for you. Another important factor that will help you with your heart health is to avoid salty foods. Salt may taste good, but it also increases your blood pressure and increases the risk of heart disease down the road. So the less salt you add, the better off you'll be in the long run. I'm so excited for each of you to be learning about healthy cooking with the American Heart Association's Kids Cook with Heart program. You can find more information about heart health on American Heart Association's website at aha.org or on Maui Health's website at mauihealth.org/heart. Thank you for watching.